pineapple juice, lime, coconut, and mint with a shot of wheatgrass for an extra boost of goodness. If this isn't a healthy and tasty refreshment, I don't know what is.
Mmm, yum. This is more than a juice drink. It's an experience.
Oh, glad you liked it. Who's next?
I'll take a carrot orange, please.
That one's a classic. But how about a dollop of ginger in there for a little extra zing?
Ooh, sure. That sounds delicious.
And nutritious.
So good. Thank you.
You're welcome. Wow, my shift is over already. I feel like the time flew by. Although my feet might feel differently. Time to take a load off. Hey! Hi! Hey! So, how was everyone's workday?
It was great. My customers are all so different. I love helping them find clothes that fit their individual shapes and styles.
Same here. It was super busy at the bookstore today. People are reading up a storm.
I know one thing. After a hard day's work in the gallery, I sure am hungry.
Hello? Did I hear the word hungry? You came to the right place. Here are just a few little things I whipped up for you guys.
Whoa! Just a few little things. You went all out.
This looks amazing.
Yum! I'm trying out some new recipes with locally sourced ingredients. Cooking is hard work, but there's nothing that makes me feel more creative or satisfied than coming up with inventive and tasty treats for my friends to try. So please, dig in. It's on the house.
Did I hear you say on the house? Woohoo! Free food. And it's delicious.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So, how will we spend our days off? Anyone have big plans for this weekend?
Oh, yes, that reminds me. I'm competing in a huge horse show, the Ride in Style competition.
That sounds super cool.
It is, but it's gonna be a tough one. The groomer is on vacation, so I have to prep and style my horse Tawny all by myself.
OMG. That sounds like such a unique challenge. I would love to help.
Me too. It'll be an awesome way to express my creativity and expand my portfolio.
Whoa, that's cool. I never knew horse stylist was a job.
It just goes to show you, when it comes to careers, you can be anything. Okay, this is what I was thinking. Oh, right.
Look! Banyan Tree Park.
Whoa! The arch is even more amazing in person. Forget the tree. Are those dancing horses?
Surprise!
Cool! What a great surprise, Barbie!
I knew you guys would like it. I mean, dancing horses, right?
Wow! Check out those moves! I bet Lindsay can't do that.
It is pretty impressive.
Whoa, can all horses dance like that? I don't know. They're the only horses that I've ever seen.
You guys have been cooped up all day. Why don't you go play while we watch the show?
Sure feels good to stretch your legs. Come on, Taffy. Let's play follow the leader. That would be me. I'm a natural-born leader. Come on, follow me. Smooth move, Rookie. Huh? Whose music is that? My own. I move to the beat of my own drum. Oh, yeah.
Check it out, Barbie. I taught Duchess some tricks. These will definitely impress her owners. Okay, Duchess, sit. Now chase your tail. Now, sit up and beg. What do you think?
Nice. Weird, but nice. Just in case, I've got a few tricks of my own.
extra stuff for my garage sale?
Chelsea, look around. I've decluttered my room. I'm freeing myself from the material realm.
Huh? Really?
Records aren't clutter. They're a way of life.
So, got anything that's not records? Like, how about this? Your autographed picture of Hello Creamy.
If you think someone will want it. Pretty dubious autograph, being that Hello Creamy isn't a real person.
That's what makes it so special. I'll take it.
Okay, whatever suits your soul. Wait, now, where was I again? There it is.
Okay, Duchess, hit it.
Go, Duchess! Go, Duchess!
Woo!
Nice! Amazing! Her owners would be crazy to sell her now.
Well, Harriet, do you think Duchess's owners will be impressed?
We're about to find out. They just got here.
What? Duchess belongs to them?
Reardons.
Animals!
Yeah, people try to say life is but a meme, but to me I see it's there for you to dream. There's a whole world of possibilities, and I believe that you and I can conquer anything. It's a feeling, and it's nothing new. Deep down I always knew that fairy tales can come true. Just make a wish, then set it free. You'll never know how far you go if you don't take a leap. Jump up and touch the sky, throw your hands high, and let the magic sink in. Yeah, oh yeah, there's wonder in store, right outside your door, and all you gotta do is all you gotta do. Believe, then you can see. You can see the world's your shining star. Together we can do it all. Be who you wanna be. Then you can see. You can see. Your hands embrace the stakes. Yeah, we've got what it takes if you believe. Yeah. I got my sisters and I got my friends. We do it all because adventure never ends. Rainbow sprinkles in a unicorn sky. Don't let the haters say that you can't fly away. Get ready to save the day. Take the day. Magic is everywhere. We got a beautiful life, open wide. Show the whole world how you feel inside. You and I, on to something different and they can't deny. Sparks fly every single time. You will see you're already in the winner's circle if you just believe so. Take a leap, jump up and touch the sky. Throw your hands high and let the magic sink in. Yeah, oh yeah, there's wonder in store, right outside your door, and all you gotta do is then you can see. You can see the world's your shining star. Together we can do it all. Be who you wanna be. Then you can see. You can see. Hold hands and raise the stakes. Yeah, we've got what it takes if you believe. It's a beautiful thing when you truly see what the world can bring. Make a wish, share a dream, 'cause magic's everywhere if you just believe. And now I've got this feeling deep inside, filled with awesome that I can't deny. I got the sun on my face and a smile growing wide, 'cause I'm grooving to the music and I'm feeling alive. With friends every day feels like paradise, and anything's possible 'cause we can be what we dream with a touch of magic. We can fly
lucky to be doing your internship here. What is this place?
This is where I work.
I've never seen anything like this.
The locals talk about the myth of the gemstone dolphins.
I can light up the world in the blink of an eye. You'll see something you've never dreamed. You won't believe your eyes. I'm holding stars in the palm of my hands. I'll make them fly, I'll make them dance. It's such a sight if I just take a chance.
He needs to be free. He's a gemstone dolphin.
So beautiful, so wonderful, so magical. So beautiful, so wonderful, so magical.
That dolphin is going to make me a fortune. We need to find Barbie. I have a plan, but I'm gonna need everybody's help.
Look at the sky, the stars are finally aligned. We're lighting up the dark tonight, and it's so beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Here comes freedom.
And it's so beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Stop! What are you doing?
Nothing?
You're trying to open the gate.
Well, yes, it seems to be stuck.
It's not stuck. It's locked.
Well, then give me a hand.
No, stop. You shouldn't be doing that.
Why? He needs to be free.
But he's sick.
What? What are you talking about?
Well, the dolphin expert says he's sick.
He's not sick. He's fine.
How do you know? Do you work here?
No.
So, do you live here?
No, but I grew up on an island. A really remote island.
Okay, so
So I've seen enough dolphins to know he's not sick. He's a gemstone dolphin. He's supposed to be this color.
really? That's amazing. Wait, how do you know about gemstone dolphins? Have you seen one before?
Yeah. A few.
There are more of them? Marlo said gemstone dolphins didn't exist.
Who?
Marlo's the dolphin expert, the one who said he's sick and needs to stay here.
Doesn't sound like an expert to me.
Look, I agree that the dolphin should be free, but
what?
But Marlo's got a vet coming in from the mainland tomorrow. She said the dolphin got caught in a fisherman's net and that he needs to get checked out before he can be released. I'm sure you're right and he's completely fine. But isn't it better to be safe than sorry? It's just one more day.
Okay, I'll make you a deal. You don't tell Marlo about the other gemstone dolphins, and I'll wait until the vet arrives tomorrow.
Deal.
Well, I guess Emerald approves.
Emerald? You know his name?
Well, I mean, he's green, so the name sounded right. It suits him.
By the way, I'm Barbie.
I'm Isla. Nice to meet you, Barbie.
Are you here on vacation with your parents?
Oh, no. I'm on my own.
So are we. Hey, since the vet won't be here till tomorrow, why don't you come hang with me?
I've never been to a horse show before. This is so exciting.
Yes! And it's not just any horse show. It's the Ride in Style competition. That means we get to make the horses look as fabulous and stylish as their riders.
I'm so glad you all came. Friends, meet my horse, Tawny. Tawny, meet my friends.
You're a cute little cuddly pony, aren't ya? Okay, that's a little too cute and cuddly for me.
Tawny and I are going to take a practice ride through the course.
Awesome. We'll watch from the stands while we munch on these organic carrot starfruit fig cupcakes. Carrot is really trending today.
Oh no!
Barbie!
Not the hair! Barbie, are you okay?
I'm okay, but I think my leg is hurt.
I'm taking you to the clinic right away.
Oof.
Well, hello there. I'm sorry to hear about your leg. How's it feeling?
A little better, but it still hurts to walk. Do you think it's broken?
That's what we're going to find out. Don't worry, you're in good hands. Lay back and put your leg right here. That's it. There's a small hairline fracture. A cast will help heal it quickly. We'll mold one to your leg right here in the clinic. What color cast would you like?
Pink, of course.
Okay, there you go. Soon you'll be good as new.
Thank you so much. But what about the Ride and Style horse show?
Yeah, no, I'm afraid that's out of the question.
We can't pull out of the competition now. Danny, you've got to ride for me.
Me? No way. I've never ridden in a competition before.
But you've ridden before. You can do it. I know you can.
Here's a little gift to lift your spirits. Good luck. We'll see you back here in a week to check on your progress.
Barbie, I'm nervous. Tawny won't stay still or listen to my commands.
She can sense your nerves. If you feel confident, then Tawny will too. Just remember, a positive attitude changes everything.
You're right, Barbie. That's a good horse. We're going to have fun together. We can do this. Come on.
Look at them go! Well, we've got the riding part of Ride and Style competition down. Now, we're gonna need help with the styling.
Now you're speaking my language.
Count us in.
Are there any more carrot cupcakes?
Hey, what's that?
That's a baby horse.
Who brings a baby horse to the beach and leaves it all alone?
It's okay, girl. We won't hurt you.
Oh, she likes us. What was that?
Maybe she came from a birthday party. At sea. I don't know. Anyway, let's get her in my car. Maybe we can take her to the stables and see if someone there recognizes her.
Good plan. Come on, cutie.
Nailed it!
Party crashing is not cool.
A pony! Hey!
I don't know who she belongs to, Barbie, but I'm happy to keep her here as long as she's well behaved.
Pony! Come back! Who wants cake? Is this your horse?
Well... Can we go inside now? I'm tired of being quiet. That is the exact reason we cannot go inside.
Hey!
Hi, Barbie! Shh, Chelsea! Everyone, shush! Dad's trying to work.
Oh, good to know. Can you guys lend us a hand?
Sure. What with?
Wow!
A pony.
Technically, it's a foal. A baby horse, we think.
Can I keep it? Puppy.
Careful! That's an original St. Louis XIV reproduction.
I wish you could see more of my world here in Malibu.
That would be awesome.
Woke up and I'm feeling good. Yes! Cause I'm living life just how I should. Oh, wind in my hair and I feel so free. Yes! The day is right in front of me. Let's ride the wave and live it up. I don't think I can get enough.
Not bad, huh?
Not bad at all.
It's even better than it looked online.
Hey, look! There's even an upstairs! It's like a treehouse!
So cool!
Wow! If I'm dreaming, don't wake me up.
Speaking of dreaming, I can't wait to sleep on these cozy beds.
You can see the whole resort from here. It's awesome.
Whoa! And there's even a slide!
What? We have a slide? Where's Mr. Floaty? I'm going in!
Huh? Wow! These binoculars are super powerful! Thanks for getting them for me.
No prob. It's the least I could do for you and your foot. You see Ken yet?
There he is! Oh, he caught a sweet wave! Must be nice. Do you know how disappointing it is to sprain your ankle right before going on vacation to a beach that has the best waves in the world?
I know, it's beyond a bummer. I'm not saying we won't miss you, but I'm sure you can find other cool stuff to do. Collect some shells, check out the birds, build sandcastles.
Building sandcastles is not really an extreme sport. Besides, you've never gotten sand inside a cask, have you? Not exactly comfortable.
Nope, you got me there.
Are forever there, show you that they always care. I don't have to search the world, 'cause right here I found the